Decisions, decisions. Imagine a car that can make some of those for you. Save you time, simplify your life. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to MBUX, which is Mercedes-Benz latest infotainment system, and actually so much more. What I like about it, it is available with the entry Mercedes-Benz models, the A-Class. And I've got with us today A250. Let's take this baby for a test and see what the system is all about.
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody.
This car is packed with technology. You can interact with it like you interact with humans. So there you go, you no longer need friends, because after all, they will stab you in your back. You've got the A-Class, that's plenty. Let's give it a go. Hey Mercedes!
How can I help you?
Find me a fish restaurant on the beach. It is thinking, taking its time. Never mind, let's be patient.
Please select an entry.
Well, there you go. We've got plenty of choices. Let's give it another go, shall we? Hey Mercedes!
How can I help you?
I'm hot.
Temperature is 16 degrees.
Hey lady! You see, it will not react to hey lady, so you've got to be respectful. What I like about it is that, you know, while you're doing all these tasks, you are not taking your hands off the steering wheel. We are all guilty of texting, Instagramming, emailing behind the steering wheel. So you feel connected to this car, you are part of this car, but ultimately you are very safe. And all of this is happening because of artificial intelligence, and that also means the more you interact with this car, the more it gets to know you and it starts making suggestions. So for example, let's say you're a lady of leisure and you are asking different restaurants for lunch every single day. Well, after a few days, it will start to pick up that you are in fact a lady of leisure and you need lunch restaurants every day. It's like a ninja, 5 steps ahead of you. Systems, because I've got petrol running through my veins. Let's talk about the way this car drives. Well, sporty, fun, very nifty and sharp. The steering is good and responsive. The suspension, well, it's fairly soft, but do not expect the sort of cocoon softness. You feel connected to the road and you feel very, very sporty. The gearbox, well, things are happening, especially if you put it to sport mode. But what I like about the A-Class is the fact that, you know, you can take it on curvy roads like I have right now, and it will give you really this sporty, fun feeling, but you can also take it on a relaxed cruise along the coast, just like I have done it yesterday. But you can also take it through a very crowded, busy, full of traffic city like I have last night in Lisbon. So yes, Lisbon has got it all, ladies and gentlemen. If you have watched my channel for quite some time, you know that I have already driven this car with the very same engine, even the same color in the springtime back in Croatia. And what are my thoughts today? Well, I like it even more. It's such a great daily driver. Now, it's got enough punch, but of course, for the big punch, I cannot wait to get my hands on the A35 or A45. Just putting it out there, Mercedes. Thank you very much. You know, I like the fact that you have all these gimmicks, the MBUX system in the entry-level car, really. You don't have to get yourself a big S-Class, which is expensive, and some people cannot afford it. Well, look at it, all the luxuries in the A-Class. So what are my final thoughts on the brand new A-Class and the MBUX system? Well, I think the system itself will be good enough of a reason for many people to buy this car and buy the new A-Class. This system is like a perfect relationship. It listens to you, it makes suggestions, but allows you to be in control. It saves you time, saves you hassle. But of course, let's not forget about the ride, which is very young, sporty, very sharp. I say it's a pretty good win-win situation. And I think on this note, it's time to wrap things up. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. As always, I look forward to your comments and your questions. A big thank you to Mercedes-Benz Switzerland for bringing me here today. And I shall see you very, very soon. Bye!